Hello, folks. Welcome to Online AP Biology. Today's the day. Well, today and tomorrow. Okay? Here's the deal. Unit 2 test. Folks did a fantastic job on the last test. I am super amazed at how well you did. So, we got another one. Here's the kicker, though. Okay? I will open it up after I post this video, okay? And I left it open for today and tomorrow. The reason why I can do that and, not get in too much trouble is that the test is timed. You will have 70 minutes for all the multiple choice and the 2 short answer questions. All right? Everything is in there that folks in AP Biology are doing in class, okay? So, you have 70 minutes to complete it. That's it, all right? It is not resumable. So, please find an hour and 20 minutes, so 2 hours, 120 minutes. No, you only need like 80 minutes maybe. So, yeah, an hour and 20 minutes, there we go. An hour and 20 minutes where you can sit down and you can take this, not get interrupted, and just breeze right through it, okay? No notes on the test. It doesn't help you in the future. It doesn't change how I see you as students, actually. It's really sad. I never really get to see you. I met Win the other day, and Ben. Ben comes to school too, but everyone else I only see every now and then. I don't even know what CHOM looks like. It's really sad. I'm really sad. Okay, that's not the point. All right, sorry. You have 70 minutes to take the test. Find a chunk of time, an hour and 20 minutes to take the test. Don't get interrupted, okay? I left it open. You can take it today or tomorrow by 11:59 p.m., okay? So that gives you almost 2 evenings. Or if you have an empty class period, you can do it during the empty class period if like Win or Ben, you're still at school or whatever. All right. Actually, you probably won't be able to finish if you do it at school for an hour for a single class period. Okay. So focus on doing it at home tonight or tomorrow night. Okay. That means that I won't have any additional information for you for tomorrow, okay? It's just going to be taking the test again. So you can either study today and take the test, or you can take the test today and finish up whatever missing work you have, all right? So those are your options. Good luck. Tomorrow I'm going to post the next unit's reading guide. So stay on the lookout for that, okay? Have fun, everyone. Second test, it's a little bit easier than the first test. You have seen what AP likes to put on their questions and stuff like that. If you have any questions before the test, message me. I will try and get back to you at the end of the school day. Actually, I might be able to look at Schoology during 5th and 6th hour when they're taking a test too. So, have a wonderful day. I feel so much better. I don't have a scratch on my eye. We're doing good. Back to the old self. Have a wonderful day, everyone.